Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a Halloween pop-up with Popup Smart for free. So when you create your account, you're going to be welcomed by the Playbook. This is where you can see all the ready-to-use pop-up templates. I want to create a gamified Halloween pop-up. That's why I clicked on the Gamify Your campaign right here. You can see all the gamified pop-up templates. And we also have the Halloween filter right here under seasonal pop-ups. So when you click on it, you can see the gamified Halloween pop-ups. If you want to see other Halloween pop-ups, just clear this filter right here. So you can also see static and animated Halloween pop-ups. We also have full screen pop-ups right here and floating bar pop-ups if you want to see them as well. Okay, let's see this one. So as you can see, there's a gamification element on this Halloween pop-up. We also have the wins tab, which is what the winners will see, and those who don't win any discounts will see the lose step. Okay, I will click select pop-up. So this is the pop-up I have chosen, but if you want to start from scratch, like if you don't want to use any predefined pop-up templates, you can just click blank pop-up right here to see a blank pop-up canvas so that you can create everything from scratch. Okay, on the Customize tab, you can see how the pop-up looks on your website. You can see the mobile view as well. If you want, you can just enable or deactivate mobile or desktop look. Maybe we can just start with this gamification element right here. When I click on it, I see the game settings right here. Let's see it. I just want to customize these to my campaign. Like I want to give 5% off and then maybe 10% off. It just depends on what you are offering to your visitors. Once you customize the labels here, just don't forget to change the icons as well. Okay, then we have the discount code right here. I will change the discount code. Since this is Halloween pop-up, I will just use the Halloween 5 for 5% discount and Halloween 10 for 10% discount. Okay, I changed and customized my discount codes as well. So for those who can't win anything, there are no discount codes as you can see. And then we have the success action right here. We have our main pop-up, win step and lose step. Let me show you how it works. So this is my main pop-up. When someone plays the game, they will either win and see the win step or they will lose and see the lose step. So on my gamification elements, I need to choose which step comes after each game. So because this is a 5% off, it needs to be win. And then we have the win-win and we have a lose step here. Then arrange all the steps according to what they get. Okay, then once you're done, just copy this code. This is our smart tag. So when you paste this on the win step, if someone wins 5%, this code will help us to display this code. And if they win 10%, and again, the code helps us to display this one. Okay, I will click save and close and go to my win step. So as you can see, our smart code is right here. So I don't need to change it because it's already made for me. But if you're starting from scratch, don't forget to just paste your smart code on your win step. And one more thing about the buttons of your pop-up. As you can see, we have a button element on our main pop-up. The button action should be start the game so that the visitors can play the game. And on your win step, we have another button. As you can see, when you click on it, you can see the action of the button as well. Because we say shop now, the action should be go to the URL address, and you can just choose if you want to open the new page on the current page or new tab or new window, and then you can paste your URL address so that when the visitors click this button, they will be directed to the URL address you pasted right here. Okay, we actually finished the technical step about the gamification pop-up. They were just all ready for me. I just customized them according to my campaign. And then let's change the text maybe. Let me just change this one. I just have it ready right here. Instead of trick or treat, I just want to play a game. Then we can change this text as well. And let's check the win step. We have a cute little animation here, but if you want, you can easily delete it. Instead, you can add an image maybe. Let me just drag and drop the image to the top. And when you click, you will see your library, and then you can choose just an image to display on your Winds tab. And you can also check out the position from here. Okay. And again, on the Loose tab, we have an animation, but we can just change it as well. Maybe we can add another image here. I will just change its placement. Okay, then choose your image and just upload it. Okay, here we have it. So I'm happy with the look. I just want to change the background. For this, I will go to the Styles tab. So as you can see, we have the theme engine again here. I want to see how the pop-up looks with different themes. See if I like any of them better. Okay, I want to try this dark background. I will just click Apply Theme. I want to see the other steps as well. Okay, I think I will stick to this dark theme because it's Halloween. From the body style, you can change the background color. Like if you want to choose another solid color or maybe even gradients. And then you can even add an image. Let me show you how it looks. It could be any image that you want, or even you can add a Lottie animation. Let me show you. We have the pumpkins, as you can see. Or we can try like a ghost maybe. Okay, it's all up to you. And don't forget to check out the other steps while doing this, because the background changes apply to other steps as well. So let me just delete this one. Okay, then we can add a website overlay maybe to make the pop-up more eye-catching. We can even change its color. Let's do it. Then we have the shape of the pop-up. I want it to be rounded. I mean, the corners are rounded. Then we have the animation, opening animation. Continue with text. I'm happy with the color of the text, but I want the heading to be a little bit bigger. Then I just want to change its font. One I want. Okay, let's continue with button style. It's rounded. Maybe we can make it circle. You can change the color as well. Okay, I just want to change the text color to white too. Let's continue with close button. You can just choose a shape for it or no shape at all. Then we have the coupon code style. Our coupon code is on the Winds tab, so let's go to Winds tab. I want solid and circle. Okay. And then we have the spin to win. Okay, let's go back to main pop-up. And then you can choose a font for the text on the gamification element. Then we have different color combinations. You can just try them out. Okay, I just like this one. You can change the background color. I don't want to add the background color. You can change the arrow. You can change the text color as well. And I want to go back to customize because I also want to show you how you can change the center logo. Just click on it and then choose maybe this one. Okay, as you can see, you can easily change it on the customize tab. When you click on the gamification element, you see the center logo right here. And again, on the customize tab, you will see the teaser here. It's like a miniature version of your pop-up. You can just activate it or edit it. You can change the layout and the position of it on the website. So it's totally optional. You can just activate the teaser here as well. If you click show, it will be activated. Okay, I'm happy with the pop-up, how it looks, how the elements on it look. So I will continue with segment. I want to change my segment. You can see the predefined segmentation options. You can just see what each offers, but I want to create my segments from scratch. And I just want to add date and time because this is a Halloween pop-up. I will just start it just 2 weeks earlier before the Halloween. So I will just choose the dates, custom dates, and click apply. And I'll just save my targeting options. I'm targeting all the pages. As you can see, we have the URL targeting right here. But if you have a specific Halloween page on your website, you can just target that specific page as well with our smart targeting options. Once you're happy, continue with publish. This is where I can see the targeting summary, and I have the Google Analytics integration, and I will just click publish. But I see that my website is not verified yet. As for this, I will follow the steps under custom website. I will just copy this to my clipboard and go to the Netlify admin panel of my website and paste this code just before the closing of the body tag. If you have a Shopify website, as you can see, we have the Shopify app right here. If you want, you can just verify your website with GTM. We have the WordPress plugin as well. But if you need more, you can just visit help.popupsmart.com. And remember, you can always get help from our customer support for the verification of your website. Okay, since I pasted my code, I will just click Verify Website. It's just visiting my website to activate the code. As you can see, installation is verified and we are directed back to Popup Smart and we are publishing our campaign. Okay, successfully published. Let's see it on live preview now. Okay, here is our pop-up. Let's play. Here we go. Okay, what do we got? Oh, I got 10% Halloween discount. So I hope you enjoyed and I hope you can create a unique Halloween pop-up with our gamification element for your website to maximize your sales this Halloween season. If you have further questions, feel free to contact us and I'll see you next time.